Kwabatira kwa namba ya muigana wa aria mahonete murimu wa COVID-19 gukinyeria andu 32 kuonanitie bururi no hote gutoria ndwari ino orire muingi ungithi na mbere na guthingatithia mwerekera mweru urarutwo ta gwithamba moko kwa ukuhaniriria na guikara mucii.
These recoveries indicate that it is possible to overcome the disease with proper management. This number of patients discharged could not have been possible without the dedication and commitment of our health workers.
Thirikari yaniriria ati kuma riria yambiririe ithimi ici andu 32,997 ni mathimitwo na gatagati-ini ka aya 672 ni monekanite na murimu uyu. Namba ya aria mahonete na kurekererio ikirugamira andu 239.
22 of them are Kenyans and one is a Burundi national. The cumulative number of those who have tested positive in the country now stands at 672.
Muthiururuko-ini wa mathaa 24 andu eri ni moragitwo ni ndwari ino. Kiumo kiao kiri Mombasa na riu turugamiire andu 32 aria makuite kumana na COVID-19.
If one is infected with COVID-19, it is not a death sentence. Most people do recover from COVID-19. And since this is a new disease, this group of people who recover from COVID-19 continue to make substantial contribution to the knowledge on COVID-19.
Kahora muingi ni wambitie kuyukia mutugo wa guthutukania na kuheja ngoro aria manyititwo kana kuhona murimu uyu. Muhano uyu kiuma kuri gavana wa Isiolo thutha wa mbica cia murwaru wa kaunti ya Isiolo na family yake kwanikwo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
Privacy of the patient and his family or their families should be of paramount importance because nobody is free from getting COVID.
Arwaru 23 manyagite kaunti-ini cia Mombasa, Mandera, Nairobi na Kajiado. Ana Nairobi makionekana maturi-ini ma Umoja na eri, Komaroko umwe na Pipeline umwe, na 12 a Mombasa makionekana maturi-ini ma Kisauni eri, Likoni eri na Mvita 8. Muthenya wa mwambiririo ministry ya ugendi ni tanyite kugia na giikaro gia kwarira mitaratara na mendekithia megie kuhingura mikawa na ugendi maria magacoka kunengerwo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gwikira kirore kana kuregana namo.
Na hatua kali inaweza kusababisha pia hata hiyo lisensi yako ya siku za usoni isikubalike kwa sababu umevunja sheria na kuweza kuleta hatari ya wananchi kuambukizwa na virusi hivi.
We shall not hesitate to close down those restaurants. And it's not a warning, it's an advice.
Ene mikawa aria matararumira mitaratara ya kuhingura mikawa ni morotetwo o ringi na kuma Jumatatu ino rucamirwo kuhiurirwo ya makuhingura mikawa mugaru na watho. Maya makeyumiria ene mikawa nao ni macakaite kuhinyiririka gukinyaniria mitaratara iria yarirwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Jitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.